Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for watching. Today we are doing lobster mac and cheese on the Pit Boss. Alright guys, so the star for today's cook is lobster. Lobster mac and cheese, super basic as far as the meat and the prep for these. I'm just going to use Sucklebusters SPG, super straight up, keeping it simple. We're going to get these prepped up though and get them transferred to the tray and put them on the grill. It's going to be the first step. For the lobsters, basically what I'm doing, just going to split down the middle, just cutting through the shell, and we're going to pull the lobster out and set it on top. We got the meat on top. No big deal if you cut through it. We're going to chop it all up once we get it cooked anyway. So it's just a means to cook it on the grill. And around. So we got the meat exposed. We got it pulled out. Like I said, Sucklebusters SPG. This is all we're doing. Super simple. My pasta of choice for today is this large elbow macaroni. The water's boiling right now, so we're going to go ahead and get this added to the water. Once the lobster's ready, we'll bring it off the pit, we'll get it cut up, and we'll put that to the side. As soon as the pasta is done boiling, we'll drain it, rinse it, and we'll throw it in our pan. The rest of the ingredients are going to be added into the pan, and we're going to stir it up and cook it on the Pit Boss. Lobster's definitely looking good. We're going to go ahead and pull it off, let it rest, pull it out, and get it chopped up to go into our mac and cheese. We're going to go ahead and prep the sauce for the mac and cheese. We're going to put everything in this pan before we put it outside. But what I also wanted to show y'all is that I pulled probably about half a cup of pasta water. I want to go ahead and add my butter. So we got our melted butter here. We're going to add that in. We're making a roux basically to thicken up the sauce as we make it. And so we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of flour. So what I got here is pasta water, butter, half a stick of butter, and a little bit of flour. But since we're cooking this on the Pit Boss, we want to make sure everything's mixed in well as far as liquids before we add it into the pan. Because we're going to let basically the Pit Boss melt everything together. We're going to have to watch this also. So I got my pan. We're going to go ahead and throw the pasta in. We got the pasta. We're going to go ahead and add the butter mixture. We're going to add our milk. Our sour cream. Salt, pepper. This is garlic, onion powder, and a little bit of cayenne. Go ahead and throw in our cheese. Bacon. Pulled off. Typically on a lobster mac and cheese, they add some breadcrumbs to it. I'm gonna change it up. I'm gonna use these. All it is just crushed up pork rind. It's gonna give you that crunchiness, and I think it's gonna add a pretty cool little texture to it. Check that out. Let's go throw it on the grill, finish this thing out. We'll have some mac and cheese here. Here it is, guys. Super fresh, off the grill, steaming hot, lobster mac and cheese. We're gonna go ahead and plate some up. Yeah, look at that. Super gooiness, all melted. There it is, guys. Lobster mac and cheese. It looks so good. This is really good. There's a piece of that lobster, really good. And you get a little bit of that crunch from the pork rinds. This was a super easy recipe. Cooked it all on the Pit Boss, besides the boiling of the shells. But once I put all the ingredients together and threw it on there, it was just super simple. I cooked it within about 20 minutes with my temp, like I said, just watching it and then stirring it up as needed. Definitely got it got a good texture with all that cheese melted in there. Start digging into it. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Please subscribe, leave a comment, hit the bell. I'll see you next time. BBQANYTIME. Later.